Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the new video. Today we all are going to discuss about the same topic, that is climate. We have already finished. Today we all are going to begin with the subtopic, that is season. Now, let's talk about the season of India. The season of India is best described as the tropical monsoon climate. Our India has got the climate type of the climate called the tropical monsoon climate. And India experiences the different types of climate because of large size of country. Our country is very large, so we experience the different kind of climate. And not only that, it's very other varied relief features. Like coastal areas, we have got mountains, we have got plateaus, plains. All these are the because of these features, the landforms, we experience the different types of seasons or the climate. Okay, there are three main seasons in India. They are called the summer, winter, and the rainy seasons. Let's discuss about the summer seasons first. The summer season starts in the month of March and it lasts till the month of June. And these days we all are experiencing these seasons, like summer seasons. The days are long and the nights are very short. In the northern plains and the central highlands or the central plains, what happens? The temperature, it may up to go 45 degree and it's very hot. 45 degree, you and me, we can survive, but it's very difficult for us to live in that particular place with the temperature of 45 degree. We may be taking bath 10 times in a day, maybe. Okay. And hot and dry winds are called loo. Hot and dry winds are called loo. And this loo blows in the region and cause the dust storm. Where? In the central plains and the northern plains. Central India and the northern plains. In this area, the hot winds blows, hot and dry winds blows, and that winds are called loo. And just because of this loo, they cause the dust storm. Okay, the desert region in the northern western part, the Gujarat and Rajasthan and all, we have already finished the desert region. Okay, this part is also very hot in the summer, and there are frequent sandstorm. Frequently now and then there will be sandstorm in this area, and the temperature here, it may go up to 47 degrees Celsius. 47 degrees Celsius. So let's think about it. 47. Okay. Now the coastal areas means we have already finished. We have got two coastal areas. One is called the western coast, and then another called is eastern coast. These areas, because of the nearness to the sea, these are just near to the sea, and these places are neither cold neither hot. Okay, and the cold winds which blows from the sea to the land keeps the temperatures low. And okay, however, the humidity is very high. Humidity means the amount of water vapor in the air are called humidity. Okay, the mountains are the only areas which experience the cool and pleasant climate. During this time of year, during the summer season, in the mountain areas, they only feels the very cool and the pleasant climate. Okay, this is the reason why so many tourists visit these areas in the summer season, where mountains, because they have got the cool and the pleasant season or the pleasant climate. Okay, let's say another one, that is rainy seasons. This season starts from the month of June, and this monsoon winds blow towards the land to the sea. Okay, this monsoon wind blows from the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea and carries a large amount of moisture with them. Okay, the first hour of rain hits the Malabar coast first by the first week of June. Already finished last month. Okay, gradually, this monsoon winds cover the entire country. So we all are experiencing the rain. Okay, only one state will not experience, that is Tamil Nadu. Okay, the western coast and the eastern part of India, this is very heavy rainfall. We all receive very heavy rainfall. Okay, Manasaram in the Khasi Hill of Meghalaya receives the highest rainfall in the world. Okay, Rajasthan and Gujarat receives very little rainfalls. The Coromandel coast, which lie in the southeastern part, also receives rainfall during winter. Not now, they also receives the rain during winter in the Coromandel coast. Okay, now during the month of November and December, they receives the rainfall. This November and December is the month for the winter season. Okay, so they also receives the winter rain there. Okay, the amount of rainfall is measured with the help of one instrument. That instrument is called a rain gauge. So it is an instrument, a rain gauge is an instrument, means we used to measure the rainfall. Okay, how? Like we collect the rainwater outside, and with the help of this rain gauge we measure the rainfall. Okay, you all can check the picture of rain gauge after this video. I'm going to add it. Now let's go to the last one, that is the winter season. By October, the rainy season almost comes to an end, and not only in our eastern area, in all over the country. So the weather gradually becomes pleasant. Slowly the weather becomes pleasant. There will be sun during you will have Dasai and Diwali. However, the days are very pleasant. No, you feel like you're jumping around, going here and there, because there won't be any rain and the sunshine will be there. Okay, the winter seasons last from November to till February. Okay, the days becomes very short in these days. In the winter season, the days become very short and the night becomes very long, or becomes longer than the days. Okay, the Himalayan region, means the way we all are living, the northern eastern part, all these things, the eastern part, northeast part, and the north part. These are the Himalayan regions. We receive snowfalls. We don't receive here, but in the north area, we receive snow. The northern plains also experience very cold winter conditions. During winter season, if you go to Bihar and all, Uttarakhand, Bihar and all, you will feel very cold. You won't be able to see one another because of fog. So much of fog will be there and very cold, especially in the month of January. So, okay, now the region which lie in Peninsula India experience a pleasant winter during this time. In the Coromandel coast receives heavy rainfall. During winter, Coromandel coast receives very heavy rainfall, and the desert region is very hot during this day, but it becomes very cold at night. Now, Peninsula. What is Peninsula? Peninsula is a mass of land with surrounded by the three part of water. Okay. You all can see the peninsula, picture of peninsula in the after this video. You all can check the picture also. Now, why? You all can see why there are changes of season now and then. Now and then the climate will be changed. Now there is no rain. Suddenly there will be rain. After an hour and half an hour there will be what? Again, hot. This is the climate. Okay, now. Apart from this, we all are experiencing the sudden change, like during winter season in our places, in Sikkim especially, we don't receive any rainfall. We don't receive But these days we receive sometimes very hard. Why all these recent climate changes? Let's see this little bit. Okay. The climate change is affecting our environment. This also affects our environment. Okay. They're supposed to be, okay, this time, particularly in the hills, this time, in our places, this time is to plant paddy or the, rice in the field. We need for that, we need lots of water, but these days we don't receive much water. Okay, why all these things? So this climate change also hampers or affects the environment. Let's see now. Severe hot waves are harmful gases which are produced due to the human activities. We are only producing all this harmful gases and the severe hot waves and all. Okay, these are produced by the factories and these are the responsible for the climate change. Okay, glaciers are melting. Every day we come across the glaciers are melting. All these some penguins, dolphins are going to extinct. All these things we all can hear now. The frozen rivers and the lakes are breaking up. Frozen lakes we have, frozen rivers we have in the poles, but these are breaking up now. Okay, they have started melting and flowing down. Now, plants and animals' habitats are becoming extinct. Now, there are some animals which we have already discussed in the previous lessons, like Royal Bengal tiger. All these things are going to extinct. Why? Because of all these things, the certain climate change. Now, scientists have warned us. Okay, if we do not take steps to prevent this climate change, the result will be dangerous for our generations. So, it is our duty to protect our environment. So, with this we finished this chapter. I hope you understood the lessons taught. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. God bless you all.